Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, look for the Firefox on top of the page. And here you should be able to see the install button just like this. Click on it. When it's ready, click on the open. Now we can begin the customization, and first thing is to choose your theme, then toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices, and here's the privacy protection settings that you can change between standard and strict, and the privacy notice that you might want to read. And when it's ready, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.